what are integrals about? When we started the topic of integrals, what did we say integration was for? It was for area, wasn't it? Now, the funny thing about area and trig functions, right, is that the symmetry of all of the trig functions gives you weird kinds of properties for these kinds of integrals. For instance, this is sine, and you can tell me right now with no calculations that the integral from 0 to 2 pi of sine is 0 because you have this and you have this, right? So the kinds of questions you will get here, I'm not going to give you an example because I think you can, I just did it, there's one, right? These come from symmetrical areas. Now you'll get two kinds. You'll get the kinds that cancel out, like this. Okay. Alternatively, you'll get the ones that, for instance, let's do cos. If I asked you to integrate cos from, what's that again? Negative pi on 2, all up to pi on 2. Okay. I could say that that integral, there's the boundaries, of cos x, I can make that equal to, what would I make it equal to? 2 times 0 to pi on 2, couldn't I? Now, by the way, unless you have a really good, perfect diagram there, you'd better explain that and justify that, because it's like, where did this come from, right? So you would say, by symmetry of areas. Alternatively, you could say, as cosine is an even function, because that's symmetry of areas. Okay? So, here are the basic ones. Here are the ways they'll try to throw you off, but really they all come back to these guys once you simplify down. Okay?